see some video growing up on Facebook where some people are sending around and I say, oh, Jamaican people need to stop the begging and all of these and all of that. Which I fear fact at times it get pretty annoying because you have some Jamaican where really do take it overboard and beg and they're not nice. But and you have some of them with we just get caught up in it and people love stereotype and that is not nice. But for those that judge us wrongfully, some of us are here and we are not like the others that like to walk and beg phone card, we then beg again barrel and all sort of phone and this. And this video for me is for the foreigners who come to Jamaica and want to walk we out. So them now make no video and talk about say, thanks to me cousin, thanks to me nephew who scrape yam, who look breadfruit and roast for them. When they come here, they come and talk about, oh, come me niece, come mix one cup of coffee for me. Come me cousin, come go pick 2 breadfruit. Come go look so happy and come parboil and greasy with coconut oil for me cow. Come climb coconut tree and then sit there. I'm sure no say if you look up in the coconut tree they ought to do no insurance policy in the pan, you know, here now we are complaining. But this is for you. You see when tell someone who come to Jamaica and do no one damn thing on yourself. You say if you can't send $50 can get who out of where help you know, we are follow you, we are drive you around, we are chauffeur you nasty, someone nasty ass, we afraid for what go down your road and tushy bushy ass, so we are clean on the shoes, we are spread on the bed, can coffee can go no, and I look thirsty for you go back to America and you know here we are complaining. But as soon as somebody call and beg on one phone card, on make one video and paste it for our Facebook. But this is a video I feel one we love come out and come walk we out and when we ask them if they say no come out and sweet we but oh man me go over me go send Barry. The other sister we have to ask feet you know, we have to ask back feet. Cause if you no come out and promise with barrel and clothes and food, you know things so we have to go up on Facebook and ask them for on the too wicked on the here we are complaining and tell we don't know how walk with. But as soon as one somebody beg on the sitting on the Friday hard, I want to behave like say Farrina everywhere hard. I want to behave like say Farrina hard this place. I want to see currency if we not say if we go work. If we go out there and a weed of somebody hard and then give we $5,000. When you do it America, we not go get $100. Which one of that enough for? Which enough for so who fi do it begging? I will fair do it begging. And if we do out there so and call and say, beg you want digital phone card. You know things say expensive more out of the side we are begging and we get enough for when time you send it can give we and bonus mail if you talk to you turn too bad and too wicked. Because no phone over there behave like say, America hard, England hard, Canada hard. When you come to Jamaica come plant pumpkin and cucumber, rain a fall now so we catch. Come plant cucumber and come plant chocho and where sort of way and come raise chicken if over there so hard. On the time too bad and disrespectful. And the reason we make that video for one I'm a disrespectful family member. And me no beg her still you know. But she make sure make it be known before she come out. I call me travel sometime even though me not go big friend. Me not call her name but she know how me attack. You know if you tappy and show appreciation and pay we when you know walk we out.